How to enable sharing your stories on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable sharing your stories on Instagram Lite. First thing, open Instagram Lite and now just click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find privacy and then click story. Now scroll down until you find allow resharing allow sharing. Here you will find it, and all you need to do here is just enable it and go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to enable sharing your stories on Instagram Lite. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.